Okay guys, now we're gonna be doing this armrest, and then we're gonna continue with the loading of the other covers. So basically you're gonna get your spatula in this section right here, and you're gonna pry so you can get this one out. It's just some clips. It's only took some clips so we can pop it up. And right here we have a trimming. We're gonna take it out of the groove. So it's a small groove, which is where all this enters. There is two ways to do that. Either that's one way, has a couple of staples here. This will simplify the process. Just like that, it's out. Now let's load the new cover, which is the reverse way. And that will do for this piece. We're gonna have a piece of nylon. This is a cheap painter's plastic from the Home Depot. Yeah, so it makes our installation more simple. And right here we use our spatula just to trim this down slightly. Be mindful about the seam allowances, guys, so the finish looks nice. I'm gonna put two staples there. If you don't have staples, guys, you can use anything just to hold it into the frame. Because we have a staple, that's what we're gonna be using. But you can use anything. As long as it holds in place, it can be adhesive, it can be anything. Just to hold them. Now we put this baby back. And we check that the trimming is nice. And that's all it took. And there you have it, guys. That's the armrest. Now Let's do the pads for the side, which are these. We have one right, one left. These clips are very flimsy, so basically it's a really bad design, but that's the way they do it. And you can cut just the hack rings. Actually, there is hack rings here, but because we are very practical, we don't want to deal with that. We just want to cut. Okay, we have one. Now let's do the other one. Like I told you guys, this design is really poor. The Dutch did for these pieces. The clip is basically not holding anything, but it's what it is. So we have our covers out. Let's get the new ones. So we have this one and we have this one. And we're gonna load it. We're gonna start from the top. And we're gonna do the hack ring. Because this is the only hack rings, guys. If you find another method to hold it, that will be fine. It can be anything. These things really doesn't do much. Just a small part in the corners, and there you have it. This is one. Wanna make the other one just identical. As you can see, it's very simple so far. The other pieces are not that complicated, so